Imagine this, you're heading to an important meeting or a wedding, but your face looks dull and lifeless, and there is no time for a spa appointment or a professional facial. In moments like this, we often rush to bleach, harsh chemicals, or heavy makeup to look presentable. But if your skin doesn't glow from within, no amount of makeup can create that natural radiance that truly makes you stand out. So today, I'm going to share a powerful face pack that acts like a lifesaver in such situations, giving your skin an instant glow and a stunning radiance that will turn heads. So friends, let's talk about the amazing ingredient used in this golden secret face pack that gives your beautiful face a magical glow. The very first ingredient we are going to use is something many people call the golden elixir or the elixir of life. Yes, you guessed it right. This ingredient is honey. Honey contains many antioxidants that help keep the skin beautiful and youthful. It also helps improve complexion and moisturizes the skin. Our next ingredient, lemon, works to brighten the skin and enhance the complexion. Many scientific studies show that vitamin C helps reduce skin pigmentation and promotes an even skin tone. When you apply lemon to your skin, it gives your face a fresh glow and natural radiance. And here's our third ingredient. It's papaya, which contains a natural enzyme called papain that acts as a gentle exfoliator. It removes dead skin cells and rejuvenates your skin. Many scientific studies support the claim that papaya promotes skin renewal, making the skin look fresher and more youthful. And here's the most important ingredient, Indian clay, also known as Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth, a natural clay that has been used in traditional skincare for ages. It is softer, smoother, and more gentle on the skin. Excellent for oil control, brightening, and deep cleansing. It's available on Amazon. I have put the link in the description below. This Indian clay is also a natural detoxifier that pulls out impurities and excess oil from the skin. That makes the skin cleaner, more radiant, and glowing. It also helps with issues like blemishes, pimples, boils, and acne. Now, we often associate skin only with outer beauty, but trust me, healthy looking and clear skin is more than just a visual delight. Healthy skin reflects your inner health and hormonal balance. When your skin glows, it not only enhances your beauty, but also boosts your confidence, making you shine like a star wherever you go. But did you know that to keep your skin beautiful and youthful, it is very important to nourish it from the inside along with external care. So now let's learn how to prepare this face pack. To make this face pack, take a papaya and cut a large slice after peeling. Mash it well to make a fine paste. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey to create the moisturizing base of the face pack. Next, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which works as a skin brightener. After that, add 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth. Now mix all these ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Your face pack is now ready to use. Before applying it, clean your face thoroughly so that all the ingredients can penetrate into your skin properly and work effectively. Then apply the paste evenly all over your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes to half an hour. After some time, you may feel a slight tightening sensation on your face. This is completely normal, so don't worry. This happens because the ingredients enter your skin pores and start cleansing them. Keep the pack on for about half an hour. Then wash your face with lukewarm water. After using this face pack, you will immediately notice a new glow, softness, and a different kind of radiance on your skin. Wherever you go, people will keep looking at you, and both men and women can use this face pack. Try it at least once a week. I'm sure you will feel a positive change in your skin. This face pack glow mix is suitable for all skin types. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new from it. Share this video with others so that they can also benefit and make their skin healthier, glowing, and youthful. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself, keep smiling, keep learning something new every day, and stay healthy always.